for some reason. Now we're back up again. Perfect. Okay, there we are, up and running. Now we were just trying to get this to finish installing that. Actually, I am just gonna do something else while that finishes. I don't know why it says that. Okay. While that runs, we're gonna shut down the Windows 10. We're gonna turn on the Promox server. Yeah, we're gonna turn that on. Leave it on that server area. And we're gonna try to start it up. And we're gonna log in on it. Should be able to log in a few minutes. It's still booting. Yep. Okay, there we go. Sweet. pfSense, Linux, this, 60. Make it have the whole CPU. There we go. Now we're gonna make a new network. Data center zones. Add a new zone, a simple zone. PFLAN. The BNet. BNet. LAN. Zone, PFLAN. Create a subnet. We're gonna use the 22, 22, 22, 100, 24, 22, 22, 22. One hundred and one. There. Now apply that so we'll have a new network. There we go. Now on the PSNs, let's actually add that network. One of them is going to be our WAN and the other one is going to be our LAN. Network device, yep, PSNs. That one. Console, start it up. Oh wait, no, actually. Huh? Hey Alfie. My repo duplicates? No, I don't. No, I didn't. I don't think I did fix it. All that I was able to do is just like fix a few stuff. But so far, I think it's working. It's just that this thing has issues sometimes. Pretty sure they're not duplicated. I think there's just different ones. Like this one I have it disabled. So I don't think they're duplicates. I think from when I checked the other day. I don't know why I want to do that. I don't want that. But here's the thing. This one says the link from where it is, it's supposed to be a different one. I have this one here. The one that I thought it was duplicate was these two. Since the only difference with this one and this one is the pad. So I don't think it's a duplicate. I'm not 100% sure, honestly. I could just disable it and that's it. Or delete it. Because the only one that had deleted is the debug one. No, so you having different repos is fine. But you have like Discord in two different. Oh yeah, that's true, yeah. Damn, it was... Oh man, I didn't write it down. It was... Cause my Discord is still in the old version. I can't remember. My mind is not. Okay, yeah, now I remember. So it was here that I went. Huh? You can have all the repos you want, but you shouldn't have the package in different repos. For example, you have this going idle and open. Okay. Both install in the same place. Okay. Repositories. No. I think it was here. Oh, hey Mike, how's it going? So, did that young man with the game crashing? He literally bought a new PC. That's what he did. We did the ultimate test. Let's reinstall Windows from scratch. And we did that, and the game still crashed. And we also discovered that he tried to play GTA 5, the same issue. So we were thinking it might be a GPU issue, but he didn't have another GPU. And I guess the dude was desperate. He's on vacation. He just wanted to play. So he literally just went out and bought a new PC. Oh, that's right, Alfie. Okay, wait. Then okay, so that was the command that I put that you told me. So let's see. Okay, now I see. He hasn't messaged again on the Discord community, Mike. He just told us he had a new PC and he was testing it out, but still nothing so far. So we still don't know if anything. I should message him on the Discord server to see if it worked. I'm pretty sure it did. Okay, so it's these packages. So you have Discord as a packman and open source in the package. Is something what open source 115. Okay, I see that now. So yeah, so these are the ones that I should be concerned about. So I gotta remove these two. So I'm guessing I should do it with this. Okay, gotcha. Okay, so no, so this one's from the Pac-Man. So I cannot remove that one. So let me try to. Can I search this core? I keep getting the. Ah, okay, this is. Okay, that's what I needed. So. Wait, what? I think super remove Discord should delete the open source version. I'll try it. I should not remove. That's right. Let's see. No, it's okay, man. I think it deleted this one. The one that I have. Like, I'm gonna have to close this. Because now it's just telling me to do this. It doesn't show you multiple package. It doesn't zip or focus with the phone. It should only remove the open source version of it. It should in theory. Yeah, so I deleted this one that I'm running. So now if I check it out again, there are no dependencies. But if I do this command again, I do have it installed in other places. But now I don't have Discord installed. It was the Pac-Man version. No, but the Pac-Man version is still there. See, it's confusing, man. Like, that's the thing. You said it was this one that was removed. Now I don't have the program. If you scroll up, it said it deleted. Huh? Wait a minute. Yeah, it removed this one. That's the one that it deleted. Because it said Discord package. That one that was gonna be deleted. And then where was it, the package? Copy. And so there are two of these. Well, now I literally, even though it says I have those packages installed, I don't have Discord installed on my system anymore. But it still says I have those packages. I could now, this gave me an idea. I could just basically just check again to see what it sees is installed on the software repositories. Oh, whoops, not here. Software management. And Discord. I never use. Oh no, it's okay, man. Don't worry about it. It's okay. I'm still getting used to it. It's just a bit like maybe I did something wrong. So I think with all packages here, I have a little search on Discord. There's nothing there. There's something here. See, it literally says that there's nothing installed, even from the different repositories. That's really odd. I could, like, it's really not a big deal. I could see us. Oh, it is super weird. I could just disable the ones that I really don't need. Like this, I really don't need the debug ones. I'll just delete that one. And if I need to add it, I'll add it another time. This stays, that stays, that stays. Do have two Pac-Man. One is essential and one is the Pac-Man one. And I need that. And refresh all. But still, it's a little big of an issue. There's something that's more super weird is the app center, the software. So for some odd reason, whenever I look up YAS, the control center on the software app, this has happened. The modulars that it has, if I scroll down, they're duplicated. Doesn't matter which one you pick, it's gonna install it and it's gonna change, but this is duplicated. So I think I could fix that if I clear the cache, but it just comes back. So I'm not sure what to do there. It's really odd. It doesn't really bother me that much. Like, it could just go and just, oh, I'll have it here. Okay, never mind then. I thought it had it here. Is this finishing? No, it's not done. Nah, but it's alright, man. It's just gonna happen. But I did delete the Discord that I had. So I will need to add that again. But if I check again this, see, we can still see that it's actually installed from other packages. But if we go back to these things, management. So let's see if I'm really clear on this. Okay, clear this out again. God damn it. Okay, there. Open it again. Software management. So we look for this core. So let's say it's installed. And this one is from the no free one. In a way, yeah, if it works, it works in a way, but it like you said, it's like there's those it's like it's there, but the program's not on my system. So if I were to go to repositories and do it by search here in Discord, go to each one of them. Now here's a Discord, something here. It's off. It's not installed. There's nothing here. The Pac-Man. There's nothing in the Pac-Man. Here's the Pac-Man. Here's the other one. Same version. And the one that is supposed to be installed, repo none, OS. And here it is. It says it's there, but it's not installed. Technical data. That's really confusing, honestly. And here you can see the different versions that there is. Same goes for the other ones. Pac-Man, I would need to select it, and you can see the versions that there is. One is from repo, open source, and Pac-Man. So it's confusing as hell, if I'm really honest. You know what? I might have thrown us both. I actually think zipper SES searches for packages you can install. No, really? No, don't. Okay, don't say that. Really? Oh my god. Okay, I'll be done, but what does this command do? Meaning the pack, short for sure. If you search S E okay as man. I had to be short. Search. It's for sure as detailed information the package you're looking for. I thought a search package or installed computers. What would be the command for install packages on the computer? To list install packages, SI. Okay, let's try that. SI Discord. No matching items found. So here it tells me everything. These are all my packages installed. Okay, so fine, who cares? We got you. It's SI, not SE. It's confusing. But it's alright, man. It's gonna happen. Like, again, I don't know 100% everything. We don't know everything 100%. We're bound to forget something. But at least, hey, at least we know now. It's this one, SI. I ain't gonna remember that. So either way, sudo zipper install Discord. Okay, so now, oh really? I put the password wrong. God damn it! Why does this always lock up? Yes. Yeah. But it's alright, Alfie, but still, man, thanks. Now we know it was just one, we put in the wrong letter, but that was it, man. You enjoyed the rest of your day, man. AMK, brother, what are you doing? Well, me, I am mostly fixing my computer issues. I had a problem with my Discord, so I fixed that right now. But if you have any computer issues or problem, ask away. Thank you, man. So now that it's installed, Discord. There's the package now. Pac-Man repository. Have a good one, Alfie. That's mostly what I am doing. AMK. I am just fixing my own computer issues. But if you have any computer issues or problems you need solving, ask away, and I might be able to help you with it or recreate the issue. But right now I fixed that part, so now I'm gonna do the other part I was trying to fix, and was basically installing a firewall here and connect it to my virtual machines that I have. So we're gonna try that again. Get more RAM, get more power, start it up again. Yeah, install it. No redundancy. Install it. Yes, please. Everything that we need to fix. Okay, sweet. Reboot it. To anybody new to the stream, I welcome you. If you have any computer issues or problems, ask away in the stream. The main purpose of this live stream is to help anyone with computer issues or problems. I can try to help you out or find an alternative solution, and if I can, depending on the issue that you have, I can try to recreate it. Right now, what I mostly do is I fix my own computer issues. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to set this up again, because I literally just delete, put a new one again, set it up again, and try to make it work. Right now I'm trying to install a open source free PFSense firewall. With this firewall, we're going to connect it with our Promax that is running as a virtual machine. So it's a virtual machine inside of another virtual machine, and we're just going to configure it. That's what we're doing right now. Nothing else. At least for now. If not, then I'll just stop what I'm doing. If you need really extra help, I'll help you out. Now I did put here a vote. So who's winning for the best CPU? AMD's winning. Well, look at that. People love AMD. Okay. Okay, so the LAN is 5C. Now I know. So we need here, we want to set up VLANs? Not at this time. 5C. So who's 5C? Okay. So it's BTnet 1. So BTnet 0 is actually our WAN. And now the LAN, BTnet 1. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Shiva, buffer. Oh yes, I'm having connectivity issues. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's buffering a little bit. It should go back to stable in a few minutes. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. Just give it a little few minutes and it will go back. it should not crash, because it did happen a few minutes earlier. Okay, there we go. Oh no, don't tell me it's gonna drop again. And show me unless you restart it in your streaming software. No, 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 no. Don't crash, don't crash, don't crash. God damn you, internet. You really gonna crash on me? Anything but that, come on. Please go back. Warning. Okay, I'm gonna have to change my issues. Change my OBS settings, because now it's back to buffering. Okay, now that that's set up, let's connect this with the LAN. Same goes for this one. Yep. Now let's start off. Did this finish installing by any chance? I don't think it did. Let's see. Did it finish installing? Nope, it fell. So this never did installed. Stop, so we're gonna have to install this again. Okay, come on, computer, don't, come on, internet. Oh, man. Don't crash on me. You really gonna crash on me?
Incoming voice call from wireless caller. Incoming.
Hello? Hola, ¿con quién estoy hablando? Okay, what happened here?
Incoming voice call from wireless caller.
Alright, I'm in.
Incoming voice call.
Oh my god, you're gonna crash on me, really? Okay, no. Okay, no. There we go. I think the stream is now receiving the data that we need. Okay, there we go. Now it's back to normal. Okay, so this is supposed to start normally. There we go. Okay, so that means I'll have access to this. Yes. Oh, hey, Golden Sword. Don't have access to what? Oh, I do have access now. Now we were trying to check if we have access to the firewall, and we do. I just gotta open it now. Okay, so it did give us service, so I should be able to log in here. I do not care for this. Okay, yeah, yes, that's right. This browser will not load what I need to load. So I need to use another browser. So I gotta have to shut this one down and try with the other windows. Chromium, I'll have to check it out, Chromium, because with the old one, Windows 7, I cannot actually access anything online. It's just gonna give me errors. So I'm just gonna use a Windows 11 for the time being. But it's a good choice for old browser. That is really good. I haven't really used it much, but I have used it. Oh no, did I added the... Yeah, I did. That's just going to release my IP address and then renew it again. Yeah, I'll show you a demonstration. Like I have this one here. Oh, that one finished loading. Okay, now this is another Windows, but it's on a different network. So if I were to use those commands that you mentioned, basically what that does is, so right now, that's the IP that I have for this system. So if I were to do release, you would see on the right side here, I would lose internet already. I have no service anymore. And if I want to renew the IP address, I would just put it like that. And it's optional if you want to flush the DNS as well to fix DNS issues. So once I renew this again, it will take a second while that is done, and we will get a new IP. Now you can see we already have a new IP again. It should be the same one, but we can pin the public DNS. So there we have service. If we release that again, we lose service immediately. There's no internet. So we just need to renew that again. But that Windows 7 that I have on the Promax hypervisor doesn't have all the updates. Okay, but right now we don't have a network issue. What we do have is a browser issue. Like if you try to use these old browsers, they won't necessarily load everything right. Like this one, I was able to make it actually load something because of updates. Like if I try to go here to somewhere else, YouTube for example, it'll load it, but I'll get errors because the Internet Explorer browser just doesn't work anymore. See, I'll get errors, like it won't load. I could do that as well, but it's a fresh system, so it really doesn't have anything. Like I would do it, I'll show you how to do it. Let's delete this. This is gonna be too slow for what I want to use it for. I need to use a bare metal system because this is gonna take too long. So we're gonna do it with this. Actually, no. We're gonna do it a different way. Since we don't have a browser, we'll just download a browser. We're gonna make a fake ISO. Oh yeah, we're gonna do that, but we're gonna use an old one. Chrome, old version of Chrome. We're gonna use this old version of Chrome. This is gonna work perfectly. Just need to download that. See, we're gonna use that version of Chrome. So all that we need to do is we're gonna turn it into a CD, to an ISO. We're gonna add that in downloads. Here's Chrome. We're gonna add that. Well, yeah, in a way, yeah. But we won't need actually links for this. We can just make an ISO. So basically, we're gonna create a fake ISO, and we're gonna transfer that to the virtual machine. I'm just gonna give it a name. I'm gonna say this is a Chrome.iso, and we're gonna save it in downloads. And we're gonna burn it. Hey John, welcome dude, how's it going? And there, now we made the fake ISO. Now that fake ISO, all that we need to do is just upload it here. Here's the Chrome ISO. This is just to upload that. It's uploaded. Now all we need to do now is just attach it. We don't need this CD, we can just change this to the Chrome ISO. So the main reason I turn it into an ISO is so I'll have access to the setup. You'll see in a second. So I attach the ISO. I'm gonna turn back the machine. It's basically like, imagine it this way. You're attaching a DVD to your computer. So a DVD or a CD is basically an ISO in computer terminology. So now once this window starts, you'll see the ISO and it will have the setup. So you're basically making a fake ISO out of it. That's how I call it. It's a fake ISO. So instead of me transferring over the network, I'll just attach a CD on it. So this is what I mean by a CD. So if we go here now to our file explorer, you can basically see here in computer. Let that load a second. There's a DVD in there. I'm gonna open it up, and there's Chrome. Now then, you just need to open that, extract it, actually. There we have the Chrome. There's the Chrome setup. And there we have it. We have Chrome. And that's basically it. You're basically attaching it, like you just use a program to create an ISO, and that's what I did. And now we just basically made that and add the files that we needed, and we can just use the browser now. Now we can actually navigate. How can you make a virtual hard disk? To make a virtual hard disk, you basically need to use Windows hypervisor. Hyper-V Manager lets you create a virtual hard disk. Like if you want to make one, you can make one with, you can only do it from Windows 10 and 4. But we just needed Chrome on this, so we have access to send this to the desktop as a shortcut. With this management, you can just view all the disks that you have and shrink them up, shrink their volume, make partitions. Really depends on what you want to do. But this is freezing up. So here I just need to add the feature Hyper-V, and that'll give us the features that we need to install, make virtual hard disks. This actually froze on me. Oh, that sucks. No matter. We don't need it. Let's just do one thing at a time. We just want to add that feature. Hyper-V Manager. With Hyper-V Manager, you can basically make a virtual disk with that. You don't really need anything else. It's really straightforward. Now with Hyper-V Manager here, you just go here to your Hyper-V and you want to create a new hard disk. And from here, you just click Next, choose the format that you want to use, BHD or BHDX. This one's limited up to 2 terabytes. This one goes up all the way up to 64 terabyte. And you just click that, Next. However you want to set it up, the size. I always choose dynamic as I want to expand it. And now you just give it a name. From here, let's just call it virtual disk test. And just save it where you want to save it. In my case, in the desktop. And next, how big do you want to make it? I want to make it 34 gigabytes. And next, and finish. And there you have it. How to make a virtual disk. That's how it's done, Golden Sword. Really straightforward. Now that I did that, I'm gonna shut down this. I'm gonna turn on this repository server. Now with this server, I should be able to. What's that? No, so when I go to install a game in Steam, it won't delete all of its files. You know how to fix that? In cases like that, you actually need to check the directory of your Windows. So by what I mean by that is basically if Steam doesn't delete all your files, you usually no, not necessarily. It just doesn't clean all the files. Like say I want to delete this game that I have here. Like I would just go to Steam. Like I would open Steam up. See here I have Steam. See, okay, there's the game that I have. So I want to delete it. Uninstall it. Yep, uninstall it. And it's gone. So what happens is when that happens, you basically you basically need to go to your directory and you need to find where Steam is. Sometimes you'll see program files that have the name of the game. And sometimes they're hidden. So in Steam, you usually always want to go to open file location. And when it's games are usually always in the common. Like Steam, games. See, look, I deleted the game, but it still has some stuff. So you gotta find it naturally by yourself. In this game, Steam app, common. And sometimes there's some files that it didn't delete. And you just need to look for that. Or if you want to do hidden files, app data is usually a hidden file where it saves games, settings, and everything else. True, that's where it saves the game, but if you check in app data, there's there's a separate section of the games, like saying like it's a folder of their save games, autosave. It's a section, a separate section. It's just hidden. You gotta look for it. In this case, I don't really have like a game here, but if you notice, this program I deleted it, and there's still files out of it. Okay, if that's the case, then don't do what I'm doing. In that case, use this program called Wistry. Okay, then in that case, don't worry about that. Use this program called Wistry, and this basically analyzes where you have that 300 gigs of space. So this is a free program. Download the installer. In my case, let's say that I wanna open up again Steam, and I wanna download this again. I'll leave that download. So I'm gonna show you. Wistry is an excellent drive analyzer. So basically, it tells you where do you have, what folder is the biggest one. So you're gonna scan your disk, you scan it. It's really fast. And I'll put organize. Where do you have all bread? So at least that's the good thing about it. See, I have here some backups, a lot of folders here. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna try a different internet server and a different firewall. Let's try OpenSense again. Okay, we're just gonna install that and run it. Just gotta wait for this to finish. OPSense is a open source firewall. It's very similar to the one that I was using before, pfSense. So I'm just gonna install it here. I'm just waiting for it to download. It should be done in a few seconds. And with that one, I'm actually gonna connect it to this virtual machine and give it a try. I have used it before and other times, and it works marvelous. Now let's extract that. Shouldn't really take that long. Or would it let me actually use it from here? Let's see. Ah, didn't work. Let me see if like that it works. then I went to okay. Sudo zipper install vc2. Pretty sure I don't have that installed. Oh, it's already installed. Okay. vzip2. How do I use the command? D. There we go. Extracting. Oh, that's a big file. There we go. We have it. Now we can make it. Browse. Fresh. Choose. Generic. Unknown. There we go. Oh, that's right. Shut it down. I forgot to add another nick. Why does this happen? Make a new one, make it again, choose that. I need to fix this. What the? Okay, log in. Oh no, wait. Log out. Installer. Okay. Continue with default. Install. Cancel. Restart. Other modes. Okay, well that's been done. Okay, that part's done. Okay, now we can finally start configuring this. Assign interfaces. No. LAN is ED. Okay. ED. There we go. So now we can just take this dude and change it to the LAN and turn it on. Super quick. Make a snapshot. Okay, great. Now, since it's connected with the OPN sense, we should have. Well, I don't think we should have service, but we should have something. Yeah, that's not the IP that we need. We're supposed to have a different IP. Wait, I forgot to change that. So, shut this down. Virtual machine. Connection details. we should have access. Okay, now we should have access. Let's see if we can open up. Okay, I don't think we have access. That's odd. That's a little odd. No matter. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go on a little break. Be right back guys. Okay guys, I am back. Took a little bit longer than I used to. Oh shoot. Okay, I was getting me a snack. Okay. Since this didn't work, I'm gonna shut it down. Put again this one. Apply it. Go to the other one. The windows. And now force this off. Turn it on again. Root. We should have service. Okay, so we do have service. Okay, so we can pin the firewall, and that means we should be able to open the interface. Okay, that's alright. Okay, I have a better idea. We'll just change it to the same subnet. There. Now it's not gonna have any service, no internet, but we should still have pin service for this. Okay, yeah, there we go. There we go. Welcome. We're gonna go to a test. Yeah, I'll do like that. Next. Yeah, I'll do like that. interface, the WAM. Disable the IPv6, I really don't need it. Save it, apply that. There we go. Since now that's set up, we should pick up the DNS. Or did it go bad on us? Ipconfig. Release. Renew. No, we're still picking up the other one. Okay, then in that case, we'll just put it manually. If we put it like that, we should still have service. Yep. There we go. We have service. And yep, that's it. We successfully set up the firewall. Now we shouldn't have any more issues with that. Okay, let's set up. I know there was like a dark mode on this. Maybe I just don't remember. Okay, that's no problem. Okay, I can see here, I'm gonna end this poll. I can see here that Intel wins for both. That's pretty neat. So is this the same as PSN? It actually is. So I want to make another one. Neighbors. What is this for? No, firewall. I want to set up VLANs. VLANs. Okay, no, I don't think I should set up VLAN. It's not gonna work. There's gonna be more issues with that. Do not allow IPv6. Odd. Why is that not letting me do anything? Weird, that's not working. That's alright. Okay. Okay, guys. Today I'm going to have to cut this short. But as always, guys, I appreciate everybody who has been watching the stream and is new to the stream. I'm going to be continuing this the next couple of days. I am going to take a break. But as always, I appreciate everybody watching this and supporting it so far. I was not expecting this to actually go on. It's almost day 20 of this. Really appreciate the feedback and support from everybody else. But as always, guys, I thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, support the channel, donate if you want. It's not needed, but it's appreciated, so I can continue making this more full time. Well, guys, thank you for watching all, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, guys. You have a good day now. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy holidays. Have a good one now. Goodbye.